Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. 7th class students, D2 Maths. Exercise number 1B, question number 7. Yes, students, question number 7 is here. What question number 7 says? Given that y is directly proportional to x cube, copy and complete the table. The relation is given. What relation is there? That y is directly proportional to x cube. Then we have to copy and complete the table. We have to complete the table by using this relation. What relation is given? Y is directly proportional to x cube. Y is directly proportional to x cube. We have to make equation y is directly proportional to x cube, but we don't need this sign, so we will use equality sign and k, that is constant here. To remove this sign, we have inserted k constant here and equal sign to remove this sign, okay, where k is constant. K is constant here, students. That is our general equation, and by using this equation we will find these are x values and these are y values. Some are missing and some are given, so we will find the missing values by using the other values. This is the horizontal table of x values are given, y values are given. So let's see. First of all, we have to find the constant, okay, that is k. So first of all, we have to find k by inserting value of x and y. So by placing the values of x and y, which values we will use, where we will check that in the table where in both blocks are filled. X and y both are filled. Here just x is here, y is not there. X is here, y is not there. Y is there, x is not here. Y is there, x is not here. But in this table, in these blocks, in these two blocks, x and y both are given, so we will use these two values to find k. Y is here when y is 648 and x is equal to 6. So we are going to put these values here. Y is equal to 648 is equal to k as it is, because we are going to find, or x is equal to 3 part 3. 648 is equal to k. We will divide, so we will multiply it by 3 times. 3 times 2, 16. First we need k value here, so what we will do, because we don't need 216 only k value, so we will divide by 216 on both sides. Just divide it by 216 on both sides. Just cut here. We will divide it now and we will check that what answer we got. So after dividing, we got k is equal to 3. We got k is equal to 3. And what equation will be there now? That was y is equal to k value we have placed 3x cube. It is that equation which is connecting x and y. So we will use this equation to find other all values, like x missing values and y missed values. All values we will find with the help of this equation. We have placed k value here, that is 3, and this equation is connecting x and y. Now move ahead, students. First of all, we will find x values by placing y values, given values. When y is equal to 375, we have to find x. So we will place these values in equation. Equation is y is equal to 3x cube. Y value is 375 is equal to 3x cube. Basically we need x, not coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x, so it is extra. We will divide by 3 on both sides to cut it, to remove it, that is cut. and after dividing x cube, what we got, let's check. 3 1 times 3 3 2 times 6 and 3 5 times 15, we got 125. Now we don't need x cube, we need x. So by taking cube on both sides, we will take cube on both sides. It will be cut. That will be directly also can be written, and 125 is cube of 5, so both will cut to each other, and what we got x is equal to 5. X value we have found. We will write this value in equation now. When y is equal to 375, what we got for x we got 5. So we will write here x we got 5. Now we will use y is equal to 1029. When y is equal to 1029, x we have to find by placing these values in the same equation as y is equal to 3x cube. So we will place values here. What is the value of y? That is 1029 is equal to 3, and x cube value we have to find. It will remain as it is. So we will divide by 3 on both sides because 3 is extra here. Dividing by 3 on both sides because we need x value and we don't need 3, that is its coefficient. So it will cut on both sides. 3 3 times, 3 4 times, and 3 3 times. So we got x cube is equal to 343. Again we will take cube on both sides because we don't need x cube, we need x. X cube 343 cube. It will cut. X is equal to, that cube is of 7. Now both cut. So we got x is equal to 7. We got x is equal to 7 when y was equal to 1029. So we will put this value in table now. X is equal to 7. X value all we have found. Students, now come to find the values of y now by using values of x. Now students, we will use x value. A given value of x is 3 first. When x is equal to 3, we have to find y value by placing the values in the same equation. The general equation is y is equal to 3x cube. Y we have to find, and 3 x bar is 3 is given. We will multiply it with 3 times, means 3 cube is equal to 27. We'll multiply it now. 27 multiplied by 3 is equal to 81. Y value, what we got 81 by placing, when x is equal to 3, what we got, y is equal to 81. So we will write 81 here. Now x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, we have to find y. In the same equation we will place values. Y is equal to 3x cube. Y we have to find, x is 4. 4 3 times 64. 64 3 times multiplied, that is, I think that is 192. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 192. 192. So all tables we have filled now, students. That is 192. X is equal to 4. Y we have to find. We have found y as well. All table we have filled by placing the values. What we have done today in question number 7. In question number 7, relation was given that y is directly proportional to x cube. Few x values were given and few y values were given. So first of all, we have found the constant value k, and after that we have placed the missed x and missed y values and completed our table. I think this question is 100% clear to you, and question number 8 is as it is. Students, you will do question number 8 now by yourself, that is as it is, as you have done question number 7. I'll read the statement once for you. Given that the mass mg of a sphere is directly proportional to the cube of its radius, means m is directly proportional to r cube, as y was directly proportional to x cube. The same way here it will be m is directly proportional to r cube, because they are saying proportional to the cube of its radius, means radius का cube है, that is directly. So its relation, so you will make it equation first by placing k constant, and after that r values, few r values are given and few m values are given. So first of all, you will place these r m values both are given to find the value of k, and after that the constant value, by using constant values you will find the missed m value and the missed r values with the same method as you have done question number 7. Students, you will do this question on your registers. Okay, Allah Hafiz for today.